How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our TIR series surface mounts. So we offer these lights in our Z3, Z4, and Z6 sizes here, and all of these units will have the same functionality. So let's go ahead and go over the cable functions. Now you will have dual memory on these units, so you'll have your red Power Mode 1 cable, your brown Power Mode 2 cable, your black ground cable, your yellow flash pattern cable, your white sync cable, your blue alternate sync cable, and your green steady burn override cable. And we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid and half color options. So let's go over a few of those. So for example here, I brought our Z6 in a red-blue color setup, our Z4 in an amber clear, and our Z3 in a green color setup. But again, we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, and solid and half color options on our Z4 and Z6. Now you'll notice all of my units are on different flash patterns, but all of these units will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, plus dual memory. Now with our Z6 TIR, we offer our Super Takedown model and our brake light model. Now with our Super Takedown model, I did bring a red-blue color example here, and you'll notice my unit is flashing, but when I activate my green steady burn override cable, my unit will go to steady burn clear. So you have that Super Takedown functionality plus your flashing functionality. Then with our Z6 TIR brake light model, when I activate my green steady burn override cable, my unit will go to steady burn red as a brake light. And again, you'll have your warning functionality plus your brake light functionality. Now I did bring a red-blue color example here and an amber color example here, but we do offer both of these models in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, solid and half color options. So here I have Power Mode 1 activated with my red power cable. Now to activate Power Mode 2, I'll use my brown power cable. Now Power Mode 2 will override Power Mode 1 when both cables are activated, or I can activate my modes independently as well. Now let's go over how to sync and alt sync our units. Now you do have the ability to program your units in sync, like you see here, or in alternate sync. Now while you're in alternate sync, you have 3 pattern speeds to choose from: slow, medium, and fast, which you can cycle between by using your yellow flash pattern cables. So here's slow, medium, and fast. And your alternate sync and sync functionality will work with your dual memory. And for a demonstration of how to program your units in sync and alternate sync, check out our how-to video located on the product page. So that covers our TIR series surface mounts. Make sure to watch our flash pattern video and also our how to sync and alt sync video, and check out our interactive player located on the product page. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.